welcome back to the channel and welcome to another decorate with me video. I am still decorating for Christmas, and in today's video I'm going to be finishing up my front room, and then I'll be decorating my bedroom as well. I do have a new table that I want to share with you, so stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and jump right into it.
Christmas is on its merry way, and for every single child there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together, and that we can find a way. The first snow
Let's continue with this decorating process. I am going to decorate my room. I'm going to decorate the little table that I have on the side, and then the nightstands. I'm going to put a couple of pieces on there too. And then I have this side table that I got from Amazon, and I want to switch the one that I have by my chair. So that table right over here, I want to switch that one out. I got something just a little bit bigger, but it's really nice too. So that's what I want to switch, and then we'll decorate that piece as well. It's a really cute piece. I got it from Amazon. If you're interested, the link will be in my description and on my Amazon storefront. You can check it out there. But as for now, let's go ahead and work on the nightstands.
first snow of Christmas is falling from above. It's a sight of wonder, a magic time of love, and the joy found in each other. It bears the witness of the first snow of Christmas is falling from above. Oh, the first snow of Christmas is falling from
I was going to put the decorations on this side of the nightstand, but I changed my mind on that. I figured I want to leave my husband's water on this side of the bed so that he can access them easier, and then I'll put the decorations on this side so that it still looks nice, but it's not in the way.
Soon as you remove that snow, I'll keep you warm, but tell me one thing. Is there anything you're missing? We will be alright. This holiday will open our minds. I only want to be close to you. No one else here does what you do.
I pulled my Christmas blankets, well, whatever I have that I like to use during Christmas, and I have two blankets that I'm thinking of using on my gray chair behind me. But I remember I used this red and white blanket last year. It's red on one side and then white on the other side, with like so the white side has like a trim at the end that's red, and then on the red side it has a trim that's white. It's really pretty, and it's a throw blanket. I used it on the gray couch, on the gray seat in my room last year, but I want to switch that up. I want to use it in the front room on the blue bench. I want to put this one on there this year, you know, with the white round pillow. That's the idea that I have. So I'm going to be using this one on my gray chair this year. I got both of them from either Marshalls or Home Goods. I can't really remember. It's been a minute, but I'm going to be using this one in my room this year.
Is the day I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house, and the radio keeps singing what the season's all about. From upstairs we hear the laughter from the ones that waited long for the socks to fill, but they won't.
This is like one of my favorite Christmas pillows that I have. I've had it for a couple of years now, and I picked it up from Home Goods. I haven't seen another one that looks like it, but I'm okay with just having one since I only bring it out during the Christmas season, and then I'll be putting it right back.
So let us take this time to say.
Alright, so let's talk about this table here for a second. I got this table from Amazon the other day, and it didn't take long to put it together. I pretty much took maybe 10 to 15 minutes to put it together. It was pretty easy and pretty straightforward, but it's really heavy. It comes in one box and it's really heavy because that bottom piece is marble, and I've seen other people put the marble on top and the clear glass on the bottom. I like this setup better, but I'm glad that I have that option. Now, it did come with this toppers that I have here, but I don't like them, so I am going to replace them with mine that I have. I do have like a box that I got from Home Goods, but they're pretty clear. You can't really see them. Like, you can already see the difference between that one and this one, and I haven't even put it on yet. So I'm going to take those out and put this one's in, and then I'll wipe down the table after I decorate. I just want to see what it would look like. I actually go in and clean. I like to clean after I'm done decorating anyway, so we'll do that in a separate video. Right now we're just trying to get the whole house decorated for Christmas and evening. So let's go ahead and switch that table for this new one.
From upstairs we hear the laughter from the ones that waited long for the socks to fill, but they won't until the birth of Christmas Day.
Dear Santa, tell him I'm still holding on. No need for diamonds or trips somewhere in the warm. Oh, 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 I know that mistakes don't melt like the snow. But if there's magic, let the north winds tell him so. 'Cause I can only wait and pray that hope will call me. Realize he's awful lonely. The only kid for me is something to me. Santa, bring a baby back. I don't wanna lose him yet. I will hang up the mistletoe, and I hope his heart will know
Come on in, come on up, come on over.
Sorry guys, I don't think there's a lot going on here, but I'm okay with it. I don't want to crowd it too much, and I don't like the placements, but I can't figure out any other way to do it. So I'm gonna let this sit here for a couple of days, see if I want to change anything. If I do, I will let you know. But so far, this is what the front room looks like. I am content with it. I would have definitely loved to have like a different setup of this table. I don't like, them being so much in the corners, but I can't figure out how to do a different setup, so I'm gonna let that stay that way. But other than that, I like how everything else turned out. And this over on this corner, I love that blankie over there. It's pulling in the reds that I have all over, so I think it looks really nice. Alright guys, that's all that I have on this video today. Keep an eye out for my next video. It will be my Christmas tree decorate with me. It turned out beautiful and I cannot wait to share it with you. So it might come before next Saturday. So just keep an eye out. If you don't have your notification turned on, please go ahead and do so that you don't miss it. For now, take care and have a wonderful weekend.
So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. Come on in, come on up, come on over. It's the friendliest time of year. Come on up, come on in, nothing better than to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.